Hi, diary. This is my first time. Now, June 7, Sunday morning, evening. I feel I don't have much friends. People avoid me. I don't know. Really, I thought they are asshole or I'm bitch. I don't know. I feel empty. Things are not same as before. Now I understand I don't have true friends like a friends which is sacrifice for me. Haha, I'm just daydreaming, yeah. As true in my life, I don't really have much friends. People see me, I'm extrovert. I don't think so. I like living quiet and I also emotional. First, I'm always wish to meet someone, boyfriends or friends, who's make me or comfort for me, understand and patient for me, who's make me more upgrade my life as usual before. Now I'm more wishing used to live alone. To understand living alone is not a crucial thing, so used to get it. Now I'm trying to upgrade myself, not missing single things for my opportunity. So I wish myself for more knowledgeable and kind for people like me. And now I can already say no without hesitation to people. So I'm proud myself. People stare at me always like strange, like clown, but I didn't know I'm a beauty highest queen bitch. So judge me, make me cry. That is my letter to go highest. Bitches, bye.